This item here is a battery isolator. What it does is it isolates the power from the battery to the engine. So don't forget, if you go around to the other side of the unit, go to start it, nothing happens. Hello BlastOne, the unit doesn't work. Don't forget that you need to check the battery isolator. So if it is operated, breaks the power to the other side, simple check like that can be the difference between going and not going. It's labelled, easy to identify, you know what it is. So while we're at this end of the unit, there's also another shaft here, which is your main drive shaft for your fan. On the top of this are two more grease points. These ones do have caps on them. Sometimes you get them with caps, sometimes the caps get lost or they go missing or people break them off. So remove the cap, a couple of pumps of grease each day, make sure that it is lubricated appropriately. On the other side of this ducting is your auger shaft. So I showed you the grease nipple on the shaft on its aft end. On this forward end, there is another grease nipple that you need to do. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4 grease nipples. But on the twin disc box, there's 2 more. So those 2 additional grease nipples have to be done, a couple of pumps daily. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 nipples. So if you put them in your daily maintenance chart and say, okay, then there's 5, or how many nipples? There's 6. So at least when somebody's greasing this, they come back and say, yeah, I did those 4 nipples. Hang on, mate, there's more than that. So if you write the amount of nipples in there, at least that way you know they've been addressed daily, you know the lubrication's there, and you know that you won't have any premature failure because I've failed to maintain or lubricate these particular items. They are a critical item and they do need to be lubricated.